Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix widgets are not loading in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. If you're using Galaxy Z Flip 6 and you're facing the issue that your widgets are not loading, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try to remove and re-add that specific widget on your home screen. Let's say I'm going to select my weather widget here, just keep a long press on it, click on remove. Now just keep a long press on the empty space on your home screen. Click on widgets here. Now just look for weather again. Select the widget. Now I recommend you have to select the any other widget or anything else. Like I was at this one. Now I'm going to select this. Just keep a long press on it. Drag and drop anywhere on your home screen. It will be added. Now it will work on your phone. But if you're still facing the same issue, so you can try to go ahead to your settings app here, scroll down, go to software update, click on check for updates and make sure that your phone is up to date. You might have an pending software update here, or you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection to check, download or install any software update on your phone. Once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to refresh that app. Like let's say if you're facing this issue with your weather app, just click on this widget here and click on this menu icon over here. Click on these three dots. Click on settings. Now once you are in setting, click on about weather, and here you have to make sure that your weather app is up to date. Or you can also go ahead to your Play Store to try to update that app. Let's say if you are using any other widget, for example, I let's talk about this WhatsApp. If you're facing the issue with the WhatsApp widget, so you can go to your Play Store here, go to search, and just simply search for WhatsApp. And here you have to make sure that your WhatsApp is up to date. So here's WhatsApp is have installed. You just have to make sure that your WhatsApp is up to date. Or you can go to your profile icon over here. Click on this manage apps and devices. Click on updates and try to update all the apps in a single click from this section. While your app will be updated, your widgets will be updated, so you will not get this issue again. But if you are still facing the same issue, so you can try to make a forced restart with the device to fix any software glitch or any technical issue with your phone. Now for this, you have to press and hold the volume down and the power button for almost 15 seconds. So let's try this. You just have to press and hold the volume down and the power button, and here the very first your phone screen will completely goes black. And here once you see a black screen, you just have to wait for Samsung logo here. And once you see the Samsung logo, just release the buttons and wait for your phone until it restarts. So it will make a force restart your phone, which might take longer than usual. You just have to wait for this. And once your phone has been restarted, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.